Would you believe me if I told you that a single deployment bug bankrupted a billion-dollar company in just 30 minutes? That's what happened to Knight Capital in 2012. A simple feature flag mistake costed them $440 million loss, nearly $10 million per minute. And today, I'll walk you through exactly what went wrong. Then we'll run a live demo where one bad flag wipes out full money in real time. If you love learning from real world DevOps disasters, hit subscribe right now. This is part of my series on the biggest engineering failures in history. Now let me quickly draw you some servers. Server 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2012, Knight Capital was one of Wall Street's largest trading firms, handling billions of dollars every day. On August 1st, they rolled out a new feature across all these 8 servers. Here's the catch. The 8th server was still using the old feature. Only 7 servers were updated. The old feature was called PowerPeg that would buy stocks for high prices and sell it for low prices. That old logic turned their trading bot into a runway machine. Instead of buying low and selling high, it did the opposite. Millions of dollars lost in minutes. Within minutes, Knight system was flooding the market with bad trades. In just 45 minutes, they lost $440 million. Their stock price collapsed overnight. They needed an emergency bailout. Within months, they were forced to sell the company. All of this from market leader to bankruptcy because of one stale feature flag. Now let's see this in action with a simple Python script which I have it ready. I'm not going to explain in detail. I think I already gave you the picture. If you want this full working script, please subscribe to my newsletter. I'm going to directly send it to your inbox. Now let's try to run this script live. For that, I'm going to use Python here, space nightbug demo.py. If you look at the script, I have 2 feature flags here. This is like the new logic, which is like true, followed by a buggy flag, which is like false. Okay, let me run this now. Press enter. If you see, the balance is like increasing. I am earning profit here. Okay, time taken is like this much and $15 million. Starting balance was $1 billion and final balance is like we earned $15 million of profit. Okay, this works fine. Now I am going to change the flag to true, which had happened with 8th server. Okay, now I am going to clear the screen. Now let's try to run the script once again and see it in action. Press enter. If you see, the money is gone. Slowly, it's like going off. Target loss would be $440 million. This is what happened exactly with the Knight Capital company back in 2012. There is a loss of $440 million. Starting balance was $1 billion. Final balance was $560 million. What can we learn from Knight Capital? Safe rollouts are critical. Always use canary deployments or progressive delivery. Feature flags are code. They need cleanup and retirement. Always test your rollback path. Deploy and pray is not a strategy. Knight Capital paid the ultimate price for neglecting these basics. If one forgotten feature flag can bankrupt a billion-dollar company in 30 minutes, imagine what a small mistake could do in your own systems. That's why we study these failures to learn and to make sure history doesn't repeat itself. In the next episode, we'll break down Slack's massive global outage on the very first working day of 2021. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will never miss the next DevOps disaster story. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.